How to back up on Viber. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can back up on Viber. Backing up your Viber data ensures that you can restore your messages, media and other information in case you switch devices or need to reinstall the app. Here's how you can back up your Viber data. For that, open your Viber application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface. Here at the bottom right corner, you will find More tab. Click on those three dots to access New Page. And once you reach to this page, you will find the option Settings and tap on it. After clicking on Settings, you will be taken to the Settings menu section. Here at the top, you will find Account option. Click on Account and within the option, you will find Viber Backup on the top. Once you find it, click on that Backup option to start the backup process. Here you may need to allow permissions for Viber to access the device storage. For that, click on this Settings option right here and select your Gmail account. Once you do so, you will find this interface on your device. Here, scroll down and click on this Allow button at the bottom. Now you can select this Include Photos and Videos option if you want them to be backed up. Then click on this Backup Now option below and wait for a while until it backs up all your data. And once it's complete, you can ensure that your Viber data is backed up and safe. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.